Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to make Moringa powder from leftover Moringa leaves from our previous video about how to make Moringa oil. And more importantly, I will show you the best way to use Moringa powder for both your health and your poultry belts. If you are into natural living or small scale farming, this one is for you. To make Moringa powder, start by washing your fresh moringa leaves. Spread them on a clean surface and let them air dry in a shaded, well-ventilated area for 2 to 3 days until crispy. Once fully dry, blend the leaf into a fine green powder, but I'm pounding mine in a mortar. Let's talk about the best way to use moringa powder for your health. Moringa powder is a natural powerhouse, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, iron and calcium, protein and antioxidants. It helps to boost energy and immunity. It reduces inflammation, improves digestion, lower blood sugar and cholesterol, nourish hair, skin and nails. Once smooth, use a sieve to separate the fine powder from the particles. Store in an airtight jar and keep it away from moist. That is your moringa powder, fresh, potent and ready to use. How to use it daily. Mix 1 teaspoon into smoothie or warm water and drink once a day. Add to tea, soup or porridge. Sprinkle over salad or use in baking. Make sure to start with small amount if you are new to it. Now for the poultry farmers. Moringa powder is a powerful natural supplement for chicken. It improves growth rate and feed efficiency. It improves egg production and size. It improves their immune system strength, resistance to infection, and meat quality. How to use it for chicken. Add 0.5 to 2% of moringa powder to their regular feed. For example, mix 5 to 20 grams of moringa powder into 1 kg of feed. You will notice healthier belts, better productivity, and fewer health issues. So there you have it. The best way to use moringa powder, whether you are using it for health or to raise healthier poultry. It is affordable, easy to make, and completely natural. If you enjoy this, give the video a thumbs up, comment your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and natural solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.